So over here, you can see that I got this particular calendar event right here. You can go ahead and edit it easily as well. So one of the ways to edit it is by clicking and dragging the time slot right here, and by changing around the length of the event, just by clicking and dragging, as you can see right here. Apart from that, you can go ahead and click and right click on this right here, and then you can see that edit is an option. So once you go around onto edit, you can choose the calendar for where you want to store this particular event. You can add in location information and make changes to the title as well. Let's say, for example, I have sample event right here. So let's just go around and say sample event YouTube right here. You can set the start date and end date right here, just like this as well, change it out, and then add in some descriptions as you want as well, and click on save and close. Once you go ahead and do that, you can see that the changes has been recorded right here, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and work around with editing of calendar event inside of Thunderbird. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.